In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flow on Klaviyo. We'll take you through the process step by step, ensuring that you understand each part thoroughly and feel confident creating your custom flow. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Klaviyo account. If you haven't registered for Klaviyo yet, make sure you do that beforehand, as you'll need access to proceed with this tutorial. Once you're in, direct your attention to the dashboard, where you'll find an array of options that Klaviyo offers to streamline your email marketing processes. The next thing you want to do is navigate to the Flows tab. You'll find it located on the left-hand side of your screen, which houses all your automated email series. This is where the magic happens in terms of automating your email campaigns and enhancing your interactions with your audience. Now, you're going to select Create Flow. This is the button that allows you to start setting up your email automation. By clicking this, you open the door to a variety of flow configurations that Klaviyo has pre-built for your convenience, streamlining the setup process. You'll then have the choice to either pick a template or opt to create from scratch. If you are new to Klaviyo or want a quicker setup, choosing a template might be beneficial. However, if you have specific needs and want complete control over your email sequence, starting from scratch is the way to go. Once you've decided, it's time to name your flow. Choose something descriptive that will help you remember what this flow is designed to accomplish, especially if you plan on having multiple flows in the future. After naming, click Create Flow to bring your vision to life. Next, it's essential to set a trigger. This is the event that kicks off your flow. It could be anything from when someone signs up for your list to when they complete a purchase. Select a trigger that's relevant to the communication goals you're aiming to achieve with this flow. Now, you can add emails, delays, and logic to your flow using the drag and drop interface. This is where you personalize the flow structure to fit your strategy. Perhaps you want to welcome new subscribers with an email series over several days, for instance. Structure your emails and timing using this intuitive tool. With your structure in place, it's time to customize each email's content. This is your chance to ensure your branding is consistent and that your messaging resonates with your audience. Take the time to personalize your emails and consider adding dynamic content to make your communications even more engaging. Finally, once everything is set up the way you want it, click Review and turn on to activate the flow. Review your settings carefully to make sure everything aligns with your strategy. Turning on the flow will start the automation, allowing Klaviyo to begin sending emails based on the triggers and settings you've established. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now equipped to create a flow on Klaviyo efficiently. Don't forget to continuously monitor and adjust your flows according to performance metrics to optimize your email marketing efforts.